In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday Sales CRM step by step, whether you're setting it up for the first time or optimizing an existing workspace. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your CRM boards, build a powerful sales pipeline, capture leads automatically, and track performance with dashboards. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is start with the built-in CRM templates inside Monday. This makes the entire setup process much faster and easier. From your Monday workspace, go to Workspace, then click Add and choose New Board. Once the board creation window opens, use the search bar to look for CRM-related templates. Type in Sales CRM, Leads Management, Deals Pipeline, or Accounts. Monday provides ready-made templates designed specifically for sales teams, so you don't need to build everything from scratch. After selecting a template, you'll need to decide whether to create a main board or a private board. A main board is visible to your team, which is ideal if multiple sales reps will be collaborating. A private board is better if you're working solo or want to test your setup before sharing it. Once you choose the board type, click Create Board, and your CRM foundation will be ready. Next, let's build or customize your sales pipeline, which is the core of your Monday Sales CRM. A typical pipeline includes stages like new lead, contacted, qualified, meeting scheduled, proposal sent, negotiation, won, and lost. These stages help you visually track where every deal stands. You can customize these stages by editing the status column. Simply click on the column settings and adjust the labels to match your real-life sales process. Now let's talk about the key columns you should include in your pipeline. The deal name will be your item name column. You'll also want a company column to track which business the deal is associated with. Add a numbers column formatted as currency for deal value, so you can track potential revenue. The stage column should be a status type, so you can move deals through your pipeline easily. Add a people column for owner, so each deal is assigned to a team member. Include a close date column to track expected closing timelines. You can also add tags to categorize deals by source or industry, and a priority column to highlight urgent opportunities. Once these columns are in place, this board becomes the center of your entire CRM system. Now let's automate lead capture using Monday's Form View. This is extremely powerful if you want leads to flow directly into your CRM without manual entry. Open your Leads board, then click on Add View and select Form View. Monday will automatically generate a form based on your board's columns. Customize the fields to include things like name, email, company, budget, phone number, or any information relevant to your sales process. Once your form is ready, you can share it using a direct link or embed it directly onto your website. Every time someone fills out the form, a new item will automatically appear in your Leads board. This keeps everything organized in one place. You can also set up automations, for example, automatically assigning a lead to a sales rep when it's created, or sending a notification to the owner when the status changes. This reduces manual work and speeds up your response time. Finally, let's look at dashboards for reporting and forecasting. Dashboards give you a high-level view of your sales performance. To create one, click Add and select New Dashboard. Then connect your CRM boards. From there, you can add widgets that visualize your data. Some of the best widgets for sales teams include the Deals Forecast widget to project revenue, the Sales Leaderboard to see top performers, and the Conversion Funnel to track how leads move through your stages. You can also add a Revenue over Time chart to monitor growth trends, a Team Workload widget to balance assignments, and a pie chart grouped by source or stage to understand where your deals are coming from. With these dashboards, you move from just tracking deals to actually understanding your sales performance and making data-driven decisions. And that's how you use Monday Sales CRM from setup to reporting. Start with templates, customize your pipeline, automate lead capture with forms, and track everything with dashboards. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.